Let's cook pork adobo today. There's so many ways how to cook adobo, but let's do the quick and easy way, guys. So this is my pork and it's been washed nicely. Let's add our minced garlic, bay leaves, chicken cube seasoning, our black pepper. This is gonna be quick and delicious, guys. Now it's time to add our soy sauce. Instead of using vinegar, I'm using lemon juice. But it's okay, guys, if you don't have lemon juice, just use the vinegar. We just mix it nicely, guys, and I'm just adding a little bit more of soy sauce. Let's cover and cook it for about 25 to 30 minutes. And this is it, guys. Serve and enjoy. Thanks for watching.